Improving brain's garbage disposal prevents Alzheimer's. To remain healthy, our surroundings should be clean. Similarly, for healthy functioning of the brain, neurons must continually clear out old, worn, or damaged proteins. This task of garbage removal in brain is performed by a small molecular cylinder called the proteasome. The proteasome removes garbage by grinding up the old proteins, so they can be recycled into new ones. When the proteasome activity slows down, the levels of abnormal toxic proteins increase. Accumulation of toxic proteins is the reason for neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, Huntington's, Parkinson's and frontotemporal dementia. In Alzheimer's disease, accumulation of at least 4 different types of toxic proteins are seen: amyloid, tau protein, alpha-synuclein, TDP43. Neurodegenerative diseases occurs when the function of proteasomes, the garbage system, is impaired. A well-functioning proteasome can clear out everything at once. A new study by neuroscientists at Columbia University Medical Center has found a drug that boosts the activity in the brain's garbage disposal system. This can decrease levels of toxic proteins associated with Alzheimer's disease and other neurodegenerative disorders and improve cognition. The study is published on December 21, 2015 in the journal Nature Medicine. Karen E. Duff, Professor of Pathology and Cell Biology in Psychiatry, at Columbia University Medical Center, at the New York State Psychiatric Institute is the study leader. The drug rilipiram activate the disposal system in neurons and effectively slow down the neurodegenerative diseases. Rilipiram activate the proteasome and restore protein disposal to normal levels. Rilipiram increases the activity proteasome by inhibiting the PDE4 enzyme. This produces a physical change in the proteasome. The drug improves the memory when used in the early stages. This exciting research advances the basic understanding of the proteasome system. Provides a way to repair the system when it breaks, and alleviates symptoms of neurodegenerative disorders. This has opened up a new avenue in the treatment for Alzheimer's and other neurodegenerative diseases. Thanks for watching. Please click the link in description for more information.